Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up multilingual text suggestion on Windows 11. First thing to do, you can click start and go to the settings. Now you can click time and language and click on typing. Here on the typing option, you can configure or you can set up like show text suggestion when typing on the physical keyboard. You can turn this on. And this one, multilingual text suggestions. Show text suggestions based on my language preferences. So you have to set up your language preferences first. You can go back and click on language and region. Here you can add prefer languages. Microsoft Store apps will appear in the first supported language in this list. You can add language and search your language preferences in order to install it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.